All right, guys, we've got a few traps out now. We don't have, I don't know, 8 or 10 maybe. We just put a couple out, the 4 or 5 out yesterday. So we got this location out. Some of you remember, some of you won't. This is where we picked up that 50-pound female last year. Mean, big dog. But for some of you new guys, I just want to show you again about the location. You got a road coming in here, another road coming in here. The road that our side-by-side's parked on is another road. Got this road coming up, and then this over here is a field that we see a lot of coyotes in, a lot of tracks in where they're hunting. What we did, we come in here, actually yesterday we made this set. Of course, you can see where the trap was. It's a small dirt hole, and then we put some stuff underneath that. But one reason we put this on a drag, a couple reasons. One is because this is a really good location. And if you hook up here and it's anchored up, they tear up jack. Like I said, if you hook up and it's anchored, they leave a nasty mess, catch circle. Well, if that's what you're looking for, that's a good thing. But here in this location, we don't want it disturbed because there's lots of traffic. We don't want people to be able to see, hey, something's happened here. And by putting on a drag, that does that for us. It also gets the dog off the trail. If you can see, it's hiding over there. It didn't go very far, but it gets it far enough off the trail if somebody's not looking for it. They're not going to mess with your animal or your set. So again, you new guys, this is perfect location. This happens to be basically an old, somewhat like an old strip. You guys may not have this in your location, but any area that you have that have all these different roads coming into this intersection is perfect as far as sets go. So what we'll do is dispatch this dog, put this set back in here, and actually we're going to add a set to pick up, just to give them something different, probably a flat set, scent post, some type set coming off that hill right there. But anyway, we're just now getting started. We're going out of town on a cruise at the end of this month, so we're not going to go heavy till we get back. But you guys have questions, you can either message me on my phone, the number's on there, or you can shoot me a message on Facebook. But anyway, get out and get after these animals. We'll catch you somewhere else down the line.